This is a video on how to replace the ice and water filter on your KitchenAid refrigerator model 2555A. When the replace light comes on the LCD display, you need to go ahead and change this filter, which is located in the panel below the refrigerator. Usually it has a cap screwed onto the filter that you push this button here to release. When I moved in, my cap was already missing, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the grill so that I can pry out the filter since I'm missing that cap. But usually you're just going to push down on that button and then pull it out by the cap. Alright, if you like me and lost the cap, you can just detach the bottom panel and then kind of use a plier to pry it out and loose. And then once it's loose, you can pull the water filter out. As you can see, it definitely needs to be changed. Alright, so I picked up the replacement water filter at my local Lowe's. It was on sale actually for $44, and you can also find them online on Amazon for about $50. It is the Every Drop ice and water filter, and you need the number 3, which is right here, refrigerator filter number 3 for the KitchenAid model 255A. So this is going to be the correct one. You need to replace this old filter, and we're going to go ahead and get this installed. Alright, so you can see that it has the same type of connectors on top. That's how you know it's the right one, as well as you can look it up online. It also says on it, replacement for Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, Jennair, and KitchenAid brands. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this into the slot underneath the fridge in the grill. And you want to click until you hear it click into place. If you do have the cap still, you would have screwed that on beforehand and then push this into place, and then you can use this button to eject it. But since I moved in, there was no cap on here already, so I don't have that piece. And I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the grill. Now you can see the grill is reattached and we have installed the new water filter. This is the eject button again, and you would have a cap here if you have the cap still that came with the KitchenAid refrigerator. And now we will have some clean water. The last step after resetting your filter is it says to run 4 gallons through the filter before you use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this cooler 4 times and then just dump that water before I start drinking from this filter. And I'm also gonna dump the ice so that we can get fresh ice with the new filter. And we can go ahead and reset the filter replace light since we know we replaced it by holding it in. Press and hold for 3 seconds. And now we can clear that error message on the filter, and we know to change it in about 6 months. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please remember to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos.